Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fit. Your body are too tight and neat. Anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me.
Tell me how you feeling. I ain't feeling the way I'm feeling about you.
Baby, what you say is what you get. Talk to me, say what it is.
Alright, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tia. You can call me Tia or Sunny, whichever one you motherfucking like, girl. And today I am going to be showing you guys how I do my passion twist. I've never, well, I have done longer passion twists, but this hair is really good. I really like this hair because it's softer than most of the passion twist hair that I've gotten. Love the short passion twist on me, but these long ones, it's really doing it for your girl. Like, look at the twist, bitch, look at the twist. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do this like crisscross parting, a tip on how to get it like super crisp. And of course, we're gonna get into the passion twist and like the techniques and methods and tips and tricks and all that good stuff. So if you guys wanna see, then definitely keep on watching, girl. First things first is we have to clean this hair, of course. I only wanted to clean it because I got it from Amazon, and this is my first time buying Amazon hair, and I just did not trust it. So I used the shampoo instead of apple cider vinegar, and it worked out perfectly fine. I didn't have like any reaction to the hair, any breakouts, irritation on my scalp or face or anything like that. So, and then I soaked it for 4 hours and let it dry overnight. So for this style, I wanted to break it down. So I went ahead and separated the top and back of my head because the top clearly would be for the crisscross style parting, and then the back would just be for the regular parting. Usually I'll pre-part first to get like the general placement of where I want the part to be. Once I know, I'll take some edge control and place it on the part to clean it up and make it as straight as I can, because honestly the parting is what takes forever. But a tip to get that really straight line is to use the comb part of the rat tail instead of the rat tail part, because it just makes it easier to separate the hair than the rat tail. Now on to rubber banding the sections. I use these trashy rubber bands that kept popping on me from Target, and some oil to help the rubber bands not rip my hair out. But honestly, these rubber bands were so bad that I really didn't need the oil for them because they were already trash and dumb. So love Target, but they need to stay away from the hair accessories department. So I ended up using some other black rubber bands that I got from the beauty supply store, and it worked out way better for me. For those, I didn't use oil on it because I was over it. But to get the most sleek section, I rubbed some edge control on the hair and then rubber banded. So also note that you don't want to make it super tight because you're going to go back and tighten it after you crochet the hair in. So I wrapped it around about 4 to 5 times and was good to go.
She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease. She just wanna dance and tease me. She just wanna dance and tease me. Dance and tease me.
All right, some pro tips. Make sure you have a handheld mirror and a big old mirror to look into, because you'll be able to see everything. Okay? Plus, looking at some hair videos kind of gets you in the groove of doing your hair, and you can get some tips from other hair vloggers. So I always love doing that. And then lastly, if you want to do it up for real, slap some edge control on your hand to really just embrace the hairstylist in you, because it really comes out when you do that. So highly recommend these 3 things to get you popping. So now the crisscross part, girl, it was so hard to do. But the things that I learned are to not double wrap a rubber band. Like, I was at first going to rubber band everything and then cross the hair over and put another rubber band on it, so it would be 2 rubber bands on that section, and it did not look right. It looked super chunky, and since my hair is fine, that just does not look right on me. So that didn't work. So I took the rubber bands off and crossed the hair over and then wrapped the rubber bands super tight. You have to make this part super tight, because if you don't, it's not going to come out right and it's going to look very loose looking. So wrap it around tight. And I also learned to kind of lean my head to the side. I want the rubber band to be on, because in order for it to look more like a crisscross pattern, you don't want it to be closer to the part where everything is crossing. So try to get it to the opposite side of where that is.
Used to say you need to grow up. I know you know. Say you want to get that up. And I know, you want wine fast and you wine slow. Remember the first night when you get freaky, when you get naughty. Before that we are chill with Noel and party, a down and party. Yeah, your body was so clean. You did a weird version. Back it up high, you look like the body die me. Oh God. Your body drive me crazy. Your body need a license fee. Got your body at the tight and anybody who got eyes can't see. She just wanna dance and tease. 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 She just wanna dance and tease.
So for each twist, I took half of one piece of hair and a single piece. But the easiest way to hook the hair on the needle is to loop it on your finger and then slide the needle under your finger. Then once you just bring it down on the needle, you close the latch and pull it through. I did mine one by one, so it didn't get tangled, because I was noticing that it would get super tangled with that fluffy piece. So I just did it one by one to stop all that tangling. The half piece was the fluffier piece, so it made my twist look more chunky. I know the girls really like that like chunky, passion-y twist look. So that's how you get that, by having a fluffy piece. To actually twist the hair, I take some edge control and slick it onto my hair to help it just blend into the twist some more. I know a lot of people asked me in my last passion twist tutorial, like, how do you know which direction to twist it in? I don't. I honestly do not know which direction to twist it. I just twist it down a little bit and then let go to see if the twist looks how I want it to look. And if not, then you'll see I'll just take it out, unravel it, and twist it in the other direction. So that's really the only like advice that I can give you guys on how to know which direction to twist in, is twisting down and then, letting go to see how the twist look. Now, once I got to the ends, I did this knot method that I learned from Chef B here on YouTube, where you take a piece of one side, loop it around the twist, and pull the hair through to make it into a knot. And to just like further disguise that knot, I twisted it down a bit more and twirled the end of the hair, and it really made it look so much better this way, because that curly pieces at the end just really gave it that passion twist look. A week later, and I still don't have any of my twists unraveling. That is genius, and the freaking key to not having twists unravel on you. Also, if you're curious how many twists I have in my head, I have 42 twists in total, including the last parts of the crisscross part, because I did twist those, as you guys can see. But yeah, honestly, don't try to like have that as many parts as I have, because my hair is fine. If your hair is thicker than mine, then you know what I'm saying, you might have more twists, you might want to do less twists. It just depends.
Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Say I mean the mess of my mind, and I mean the make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye. Yeah, you could leave. I'm struggling your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, you don't need no other body.
And then I just started to get lazy, and instead of like unraveling the hair when my hair would come out, I just slapped some daggone edge control on it and like kind of rubbed it in between my hands and rubbed it on there to just like disguise it and smush it back into place. And it worked. Like it did what it needed to do. The last and final step into creating my twist is after installing the twist, I always oil my scalp. Like if you want your hair to grow during a protective style while you have it in, oil your scalp with this freaking me hair growth oil. Like girl, I promise you it works. I had a bald spot. Like if you are new here, you don't know that I had a bald spot from a style that I did for my birthday. It's gone. Girl, I don't even know where it is anymore. Like, and this is the only product that I used on my head. So get you some if you are wanting to grow your hair out. All right, you guys, so that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it useful, helpful, and hopefully inspiring. If it did, definitely give it a thumbs up. Helps me out a lot. Comment down below what you want to see next, as well as if you have any questions, and I will get to it. I will try to get to it because might be a lot of questions. But yeah, also follow me on Instagram at naturally.sunny, as well as on TikTok at naturally.sunny. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Tell me how